Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a chicken cordon bleu. Here's all the fixins. Let's add it. Dinner would be served with a Greek salad, rice, a medley of carrots, and a bechamel sauce. This is another dinner where you have to have everything prepped. So we're peeling the carrots. We're going to put those in the pan to pan roast with some butter and water. The rice is already on. That's a medley of wild and arborio rice. And we're going to get the bechamel sauce going next. For my bechamel spice bag, I have white peppercorn, Sichuan peppers, green peppercorns, black peppercorns, pink peppercorns, mustard, of course, and instead of nutmeg, I'm using some cardamom pods. Grab the corners, put it in a ball, tie it up, make sure it's snug, use a square knot, and then we're going to be bashing it and then putting it into our bechamel sauce, which is basically milk and cream. Stir it up and then throw in the aromatics. And while the sauce is getting saucy, we're going to go to the cutlets. All right, stay angry. Get those things nice and flat because you're going to be making a roulade out of them. All right, here we go. Swiss, ham, Swiss. Roll it up good and tight. Toothpicks, and then into the triple dredge. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Perfect. And then after you get all those together, you're going to be putting them in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Greek salad time. Pretty easy. Good salad, too. Anyways, spinach greens, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, little salt, little pepper, and then we're going to put garlic, Kalamata olives, a splash of citron, and feta cheese, of course. Now that we're getting down to it, we're going to strain our bechamel sauce and then throw in the roux and let it thicken while we get ready to plate up. First, make a portrait ring out of your Greek salad. Throw on your rice, those beautiful wild carrots, and then, of course, your roulade of chicken cordon bleu, your bechamel sauce. Finish it off with some fresh herbs and some citron. Chicken cordon bleu with all the fixins. Look at that nice roulade. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.